Kibji weather overview with our Christmas Eve into Christmas Day storm. Now, with any luck, this will get out of here before most of Christmas Day rolls on, and we'll be done with it early morning on Friday. But, the timing is going to be tricky with this one. My best guess is that the worst of the weather is from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Friday. So if we can hang on to that and the timing can stay the same, I think that we'll minimize the impact of this storm. But nonetheless, we could have damaging winds along the coast. That's why the National Weather Service has high wind watches in effect. This means that winds could gust as high as 60 miles an hour Thursday night into Friday morning. And then we have flood watches on top of that. This is a serious storm. The timing may save us, though. That may, mitigate what would otherwise be a high impact storm. Now, the reason for the flood watches is the historic winter storm that happened last week. The areas in deep red saw 30 to 40 inches of snow. And in and around the tri-state area, we got an average winter storm, that would do midwinter proud. It was definitely formidable. But in the areas north and west of New York, they got absolutely pummeled with this storm. A historic storm by any stretch, by any standard in the last 30 to 40 years. That storm that happened last week. Now, with the upcoming Christmas Eve into Christmas Day storm, we're fine for tomorrow, high pressure and control, but then that gives way and we start to get into some rain, and that'll develop from southwest to northeast during the day on Thursday. You'll also notice that temperatures are going to be quite mild on Thursday. We're going to make a run at 60 degrees. We're going to have plenty of southerly wind and plenty of clouds, but the temperatures will be quite mild on Thursday, and the rain will get heavier. And the model really wants to drive an area of very heavy rain through here between midnight and 6 a.m. on Friday. I would just monitor the local forecast. The timing of that may be off by a few hours, and that's going to make a big difference. The model does have the bulk of the rain through here by midday on Friday, so if you're looking to salvage Christmas Day, most of it should be dry, especially the further west you go, with just some higher than normal winds, and they will be switching direction. So if you bring the light coat on Friday morning, you may be a bit chilly on Friday evening when you leave your various festivities, because by then temperatures will be dropping and we'll go from 60s on Thursday with plenty of clouds and some rain to 30s over the weekend for Christmas weekend, but it will be dry once we get rid of the rain for around midday Friday.